All right, let's get right into it. In the world of data, you hear two titles thrown around all the time: Data Analyst and Business Intelligence. Now, they sound kind of similar, they definitely work together, and they're both super important. But they are not the same thing. So in this explainer, we're going to clear up the confusion and show you exactly what makes each of these roles so unique and so powerful.
I mean, think about it. Every single click, every purchase, every little interaction we have online, it all creates data. Companies aren't just swimming in it anymore. They are literally drowning in it. But here's the kicker. All that raw data on its own, it's pretty much useless. It's just noise. The real magic, the real value is in turning that noise into a clear signal. And that, my friends, is where our two experts come into play.
So first up, let's meet our data detective. This person's main job is to look backwards. They're kind of like a crime scene investigator, right? They show up after something has already happened, and their job is to sift through all the evidence to piece together what went down, and more importantly, why.
And that's your data analyst in a nutshell. They're the person you call when you have a very specific, burning question about something that happened in the past. They're the ones who roll up their sleeves, dive into the messy datasets, and find the story hidden in the numbers. They are the absolute masters of the deep dive.
So, what does their day really look like? Well, a huge part of it is getting their hands dirty with the raw information. We're talking about using tools like SQL to pull data from all these different, often messy databases, and then cleaning it all up just so it's usable. They're hunting for those hidden patterns, those correlations, and answering those one-off questions like, hey, why did our sales in the Northeast suddenly tank by 15% last quarter? And their final product? It's usually a really detailed static report that basically says, here's the clue we found.
Okay, so that's our detective. Now let's shift gears and meet the other key player in this story. If the analyst is looking at the past, our business strategist is totally focused on the present and the road ahead. They aren't investigating a past crime scene, they're busy building the GPS for the journey forward.
And right here, this is the fundamental difference. BI isn't about answering a single question. It's about providing a constant, high-level view of what's happening right now. You can think of them as a cartographer, creating this live interactive map that shows you exactly where you are, where you're headed, and all the potential roadblocks along the way.
Yeah, their work is all about making data accessible and making it real-time. So instead of a one-and-done report, they build these incredible interactive dashboards with tools like Tableau or Power BI. They figure out the most important metrics for the business, the key performance indicators or KPIs, and they put them on a screen where a CEO can see at a single glance how the entire business is doing right this second.
So you've got the detective, who's obsessed with the past, and you've got the strategist, who's focused on the future. It might sound like they'd be at odds with each other, right? But the truth is, they're not. They are two absolutely essential parts of the exact same powerful process.
Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. The data analyst is there to answer the why did this happen questions, and they do it with these deep, detailed reports. The BI professional, on the other hand, answers the what is happening right now questions with live, always-on dashboards. See? One gives you depth on a specific issue, and the other gives you breadth and real-time awareness to steer the ship.
So no, they're not competing. Not at all. In a really smart company, they're locked in this amazing collaborative dance. The work that the analyst does feeds directly into the work of the strategist, and that creates this beautiful, virtuous cycle of improvement. Let me show you what that looks like in practice.
Okay, so check this out. In step 1, our data analyst is digging through the data and finds something huge. Like, wow, customers who buy product A are 80% more likely to buy product B within 1 week. That's a classic analyst discovery. But an insight buried in a report is easy to forget. So in step 2, the BI professional takes that discovery and builds it into a live dashboard. They create a new KPI to track this opportunity in real time. And now, step 3, the company's leadership can see this metric every single day, and they can take action on it, building their strategy around an insight that was proven with data.
There's this quote from Carly Fiorina that just perfectly captures the shared mission here. Both the analyst and the BI pro are working toward the exact same goal. They're just handling different, crucial stages of that journey. The journey from messy, raw data to a crystal clear insight that actually moves the business forward.
So, let's wrap this all up with our main idea. The data analyst is the detective. They find the critical clues hidden in a mountain of evidence. And the BI professional is the strategist. They take those clues and they draw a reliable map for the journey ahead. You just can't navigate without a map,
And you can't draw a good map without knowing the terrain. You absolutely 100% need both to win.
And that really just leaves us with one final question for you. Think about the problems you're trying to solve. Are you trying to investigate something that already happened to really understand the why? Or are you trying to monitor what's happening right now so you can decide what to do next? Answering that question will tell you exactly what you need, a detective or a strategist.